Which of the following compounds is oxidized to prepare ethyl methyl ketone? Okay, and if you look at the options, all the four options given A, B, C, D are alcohols. And we know primary alcohols on oxidation give aldehydes, secondary alcohols on oxidation gives ketones. So here what they asked us to prepare ethyl methyl ketone. Let us write the structure of that compound. C2H5 CO CH3. So ketone can be prepared by the oxidation of secondary alcohol. So option B is primary alcohol ruled out. Option D is tertiary butyl alcohol ruled out. So now let us see option A and C. A is secondary alcohol, C also secondary alcohol. What is A? CH3, CHOH, CH3, secondary alcohol, 2-propanol. 2-butanol means CH3, CHOH, CH2, CH3. This is 2-propanol. So secondary alcohols on oxidation gives ketones. But how many carbon atoms are there in the given ketone in the question? Ethyl methyl ketone. Ethyl methyl ketone means total there are 4 carbon atoms. So I cannot use propanol even though it is secondary alcohol to get this ketone. I should use butanol. So your answer should be 2-butanol. So aldehydes can be prepared by oxidation of primary alcohols. Ketones can be prepared